Victor Isibor, see, I dey see your WhatsApp status steady. All you put on your WhatsApp status is businesses. Come and join this business, promoting one thing or the other. You see, this network marketing of a thing, is not for me at all. Don't carry am near me. I'm not interested. See, I'm a graduate. You are a graduate too. Yeah, we know the economy is bad. There are no jobs. But for me, instead of me to do network marketing, I will patiently wait. Even if it is 100 years time, I'm going to get a job. I will wait. I'm a big boy now. I can't be selling something or advertising something on my status. Status is for cruise. It's for you to entertain those that are viewing your status, not to be advertising business.
You be mumu.
Oh, status is for cruise, to be entertaining strangers and people who don't know how you pay your bills. Let me tell you something, any business I'm doing, I dey carry am for my head like gala. I carry my business on my head and I take it seriously. If you don't like what I'm advertising, I'll block you off my status. You move away. You don't pay my bills. There are no jobs in the country. So networking is better than not working. Look at you. At your age, you're well over 35. You are still living under your parents. If you want to buy a time, you ask your mom for money because your mom is still in active civil service. You dey collect money from your mama. You are eating mama put garri for me, mama put soup for me. Your mates are married with children, taking responsibility of their lives, but you are under your parents. You are happy.
Chai!
Baba, don't even go there. Don't even go there. My parents, are they complaining? Are they complaining? See, I don't do anything in this house. I just wake up in the morning, enter kitchen, serve myself food, eat to my satisfaction. Nobody is pressuring me. Victor Isibor, check me out now. I be fine boy. Upon all this, I don't have a job, I don't have a business. I've been dating a working class lady for the past 5 years. And she's paying my bills. And she's beautiful, she's cute, she's smart. She sees something in me. Something that you people have refused to see. She sees it in me and she's dating me, working class lady. As a matter of fact, she said she's going to come and serve me breakfast this morning. She's bringing it this morning because she's on off days at work. So she's coming here today to give me breakfast.
Omo, now I see where your problem is coming from. Apart from your parents that are spoiling you, they don't spoil you finish. Your babe Monica, she's also a problem. For the past 5 years, Monica has been the one buying boxers and singlets for you. If you need handkerchief, you call Monica. She will send you money to buy it. She's indulging you. Well, let me say you are lucky. But the truth of the matter is that you are not getting any younger. Look for something to be doing so that you'll be responsible for once. Monica is a very good cook. Now that you say she's bringing breakfast, I'll just stick around a while longer so that I'll join you guys with the breakfast before I go home. Omo, I dey H. Hunger dey catch me.
This man!
See your mouth like I dey H. Now hunger go kill you. I know you like food. You and food 5 and 6. See, I'm blessed. One of the most beautiful girls in the world, Monica, my girlfriend, she's bringing breakfast. She sent me a WhatsApp message. She said, my dear Theophilus, don't bother eating this morning. I'm coming to serve you very hot breakfast this morning. They play. See, I'm enjoying my life. I am enjoying my life. Don't pressure me. Don't pressure me at all. I came to live the baby boy lifestyle.
It is smoky, boo.
Oh, what a pleasant surprise. Bros Victor Isibor, you're here. I'm always enjoying your WhatsApp status, so you're a hustler. Keep up the hustling spirit. When they pay me salary at the end of the month, I'll join that your crypto opportunity. I have already signed up with the link in the description, so I'll put some money, One has to keep hustling. Any way to make money legitimately, I'm all in. And I like when a man hustles like you, okay? Keep it up, sir.
Monica, do I have a choice? I have to hustle now. I'm not as fortunate as your boyfriend, Theophilus, whose parents are very accommodating. Me, I left my parents over 8 years ago to start hustling on my own. So that crypto opportunity in the description is very legitimate and you are going to enjoy it. So whenever you are ready, just hit me up. Let's do business. This one that they say you want to bring breakfast. You want to bring breakfast. And then they see any cooler for your hand though. Where is the breakfast? Or you left it inside your car outside. Bring the breakfast now, more chop, let's eat.
Bros, it is not for you, it's for Theophilus. So, and this is not the kind of breakfast that you put inside cooler. So it's specially for Theophilus.
Chai!
Vico, be smart. Monica is telling you that the kind of breakfast that she brought is for me and her. The breakfast, not the one you eat on the dining table. The one that you eat in the bedroom. Breakfast of couples. That's why she did not put it in a cooler. Vico, come they go house. Start going. You understand? I'll call you now.
A bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Theophilus, now I understand. They say 2 is company, 3 is a crowd. What God has joined together, let Victor Isibor not put asunder. Alright now, later, I'll see you guys later in the evening, okay? Bye.
Sorry.
Bros Victor, you're not going anywhere. I want to serve him this breakfast in your presence. You've been a part of this relationship from inception. So you should be here when I'm serving him this very hot breakfast today. Bros, go back to your seats. I want to do this in your presence.
Hey!
Victor Isibor, your friend here, Theophilus, is a very, very unserious person. 5 years ago, when he asked me out, I looked beyond his unemployment and I was like, you know what? This guy has potentials because he's very smart. Okay? I entered the relationship. I was the one footing all the bills. Okay? His parents would give him money. I was giving him monthly upkeep. But you know, these past few years has shown that this guy is very, very unserious. He has become comfortable sitting back and collecting my money. He would even take my money and go after other girls. Okay? So, you know, the only thing constant in this life is change. And I have grown and I have outgrown this guy. Okay? For 5 years, he couldn't get a job. He couldn't start a business. He's just stagnant. So I think I'm past all this. I can't do this anymore.
They have left you behind.
So as you know, breakfast, in Nigerian slang, is break up. So the breakfast I came to serve you is the one that does not have cooler. My name is Monica. Money and car. Between money and car, which one have you ever given me, Theophilus? Theophilus. So you've been dating a fine girl like me for the past 5 years. I've been paying your bills. I've been like the man in this relationship. You cannot hustle. Your friend Victor Isibor is always advertising businesses on his WhatsApp status. You cannot look for anyone to join so that you start making some money for yourself. No, you just want to sit down. Your father will give you money. Your mother will give you money. Then your girlfriend Monica, will also give you money. See, I have found a man that is deserving of my love. And we are getting married in the next 3 months. I brought my wedding ivy for you.
What be this? What be this?
Wait, Monica. So you want to leave me? You're getting married in the next 3 months. You brought wedding ivy to me. Monica. Because you met a man that has money. So you have been a gold digger all this while.
He shock you.
It be like say your head no correct. Because I sit down here, they speak correct English with you. You dey craze? You dey smoke igbo? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? If I was you, for the past 5 years, I don't dey buy boxer for your nyash, they buy you singlet, they buy your hanky, they recharge your phone. You dey craze, they give you pocket money. Have you ever seen any fine, beautiful Nigerian girl that will stomach the rubbish that I've stomached in this relationship? We don't even have privacy. You live with your parents. I pay your bills for the past 5 years. Throwing parties for you when you're doing birthdays. You even use my money. You use it to carry other girls around. Are you crazy? I'm 30 years old now. I've been dating you since I'm 25. You don't have a job. You are not even looking for a job. It doesn't look like things will ever get better with you. So I should be wasting my time with you till I reach menopause. You dey craze.
Jai, Theophilus. Eh? Monica just spoke from the heart, from the bottom of her heart. Instead of you to use your sense, you're telling her, oh, she's a gold digger. Let me tell you, gold diggers are motivated by greed. Eh? What she did now was motivated by need. This girl don't try for you. 5 years. Please, Theophilus, if you were a girl, would you date yourself as you are now? Eh? You are lazy, you are entitled, you are just dormant. You are not living, you are just existing, you are floating. This breakfast that she served you is very hot and I like it hot. At least that will motivate you to get something doing for yourself. Yes. Shebi, before she came, you were telling me, oh, you cannot do network marketing. You cannot register for the business in the description. Or B, look at you now. Theophilus, Theo don't finally lost.
Oh, no.